It was a rainy Tuesday morning, and Emily was running late for work. She quickly grabbed her bag, put on her coat, and hurried out the door. The rain was coming down hard, and the streets were wet and slippery. As she rushed to catch the bus, she realized she had forgotten her umbrella. Emily sighed, but there was no time to go back home. She pulled her coat tighter and tried to cover her head with her bag. By the time she reached the bus stop, she was already soaked. A few other people were waiting, all holding their umbrellas. One woman noticed Emily and smiled sympathetically. Just then, the bus arrived. As Emily boarded, she shook the water from her coat and found an empty seat near the back. She sat down, trying to dry off as much as possible. The bus was warm, and soon Emily started to relax. About halfway through the ride, an elderly man got on the bus, holding a small bouquet of flowers. Emily watched as he carefully sat down across from her. The man smiled at the flowers, as if he were thinking about someone special. Curious, Emily leaned forward a bit. "Are those flowers for someone special?" she asked kindly. The man looked up, surprised but happy to answer. "Yes, they are. It's my wife's birthday today. I bring her flowers every year." Emily smiled warmly. "That's so sweet." The man chuckled. "She loves roses. Even after all these years, she still gets excited when she sees them." The bus ride seemed to go by faster after that short conversation. When Emily finally reached her stop, the rain had lightened up. As she stepped off the bus, she felt a little better about her soggy start to the day. Maybe, she thought, forgetting her umbrella wasn't so bad after all.
Now it's vocabulary time. What did Emily forget when she left her house? A. Her keys. B. Her umbrella. C. Her wallet. D. Her phone. Answer. B. Her umbrella. How did Emily try to cover herself from the rain? A. With her coat. B. With her bag. C. With her scarf. D. With her hat. Answer. B. With her bag. What was the elderly man holding when he got on the bus? A. A book. B. A bouquet of flowers. C. An umbrella. D. A newspaper. Answer. B. A bouquet of flowers. Why did the man bring flowers? A. It was his wife's birthday. B. It was a holiday. C. He bought them for himself. D. It was a special event. Answer. A. It was his wife's birthday. How did Emily feel after talking to the man? A. Frustrated. B. Angry. C. Better. D. Annoyed. Answer. C. Better.
Now it's vocabulary time. Soaked, meaning, completely wet or drenched with water. Sympathetically, meaning, in a way that shows understanding and care for someone's situation. Bouquet, meaning, a bunch of flowers arranged together. Curious, meaning, wanting to know or learn something. Interested. Drizzle, meaning, light rain, not as heavy as a shower.